My fans, it's still me, Charles Francis Atati, aka Neshet the Baseman. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to save Facebook video to your phone gallery without consuming your data, watching it online oftentimes. So anytime you want to watch it, you do not need to go searching the video on Facebook or any of the social media that you want to get it from. Rather, you just go to your phone gallery and watch it offline. Let's dive into how to save Facebook video to your phone gallery. If you come across any video that you want to save on your phone, let me use mine for instance, and what I'll just do is to click on the share button, or you come to the search bar here, and once the search bar opens, you tap the search bar here and type the name of the video you are looking for to download. Once it is found, click on the share button here, and once you click on the share button, you scroll down and you see where it is written copy link. You click on copy link and it will say link copied successfully. Once that is done, go to your browser. Right now, I'm going to use my Chrome browser, and click on the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, there is a link you are going to type, which is this yt5s.io, and you click enter or go depending on your phone. Click the three horizontal lines. You will see all of this. What you do is to click on Facebook downloader. Here you are asked to paste the Facebook video link here on this empty box. You just paste it here, and then next you are going to do is to click on start. It is verifying if you are a real person, so let's wait a bit. Here we go. This is the video. So if you want MP3, that is just audio, you can tap on MP3. Right now it is MP4, which is video, and you can choose the quality of the video that you want. Is it 720? Is it 360? Is it 480? I'm going to take 720 and click download. Now it is downloading. Click open. The video now is downloaded to my phone gallery. That's how it will be downloaded to yours. You just click on play. This is the video. Now it is playing on my phone gallery. So let's confirm if it has actually entered my phone gallery, so I don't need to play it online, but rather play it via my phone gallery, which is offline, without spending my data to be watching this video anytime I want to. So let's go to my phone gallery right now. Here is my phone gallery. I'll click on videos, and you can see it there downloaded already. And if I click download, you see the video, it has been downloaded. So I play it so you can confirm what I'm seeing right here. You see it is playing, just 18 seconds video. You can go ahead and download your video. Guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure that you give this video a reaction. Just give a thumbs up if you're finding it here on YouTube, and if you're finding it on Facebook, X, or formerly known as Twitter, or on TikTok, make sure you give this video a reaction, give this video a like, help me share this video, drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit on that subscribe button right now on YouTube here, on Facebook, hit on that follow button, on X, hit on follow, and on Twitter, hit on the follow button, on TikTok, hit on that follow button. I'll see you again in another video. Thank you so much. Bye.